These Stainless Works headers and catted Y pipe are a great option for the 15 to 17 F-150 owner who's looking to add deeper sound and power at the top end to your Coyote-powered F-150, especially if you're running forced induction or plan to in the future. This is a catted system for the daily driver, instead of being designed purely for off-road use. You've seen the high price here, and we'll get to that shortly, but this kit's definitely one of the better built header and exhaust setups available. Everything is included in the box with no extra hardware needed. But with that being said, this install is going to get 3 out of 3 wrenches on our difficulty meter. Expect about a full day's work to get the headers on. Don't let that intimidate you. With proper tools, any of you will be able to get this done over the weekend. Talking about sound first, this kit is going to enhance the sound and power of your factory catback system without going overboard. As the name implies, this factory connect system will pair up with your factory over axle pipe and mufflers. The result is something that's more toned down compared to the volume of the uncatted Performance Connect version of this kit. Because of the catted Y pipe and the factory connection, no additional parts are needed to install. The product page says this is for off-road or track use only, but this setup will be street legal in 49 states with the high-flowing cats that are included. California emissions are the only thing excluded here. Everything included in this header package is made of high-quality, rust-resistant 304 stainless steel. The primary tubing is 1 7/8 inch diameter that's mandrel bent for smooth flow. You're also going to be looking at a 3/8 inch flanges on the header side, and this will help prevent exhaust leaks and add strength to the headers. The headers dump into a 3-inch collector with a merge spike. This spike is what some higher-end exhaust companies use to help with exhaust scavenging, and it's going to keep those gases moving quickly and freely. The collector moves to the higher flowing cats, which combine with this Y pipe here. Everything is TIG welded and is designed and built in the USA. The result is a system that's bolt up very easily without hammering or modification like some cheaper systems might. Stainless Works makes a quality system and they back that up with a lifetime warranty. This system will perform great with naturally aspirated 5 liters, and it'll provide a slight bump in power at 1 7/8 inches. That larger diameter will also allow room to grow in the future if you decide to go with a blower or forced induction compared to a 1 3/4 inch system. Regardless of your build, we recommend a handheld tuner if you'd like to get the most power and performance out of these headers. Stainless Works does make a Performance Connect system that you will see on our site. This includes an X pipe that will not fit the stock catback exhaust. This is for owners that want more of a race-like sound from their F-150 by going with a split exit axleback system instead of the factory muffler. Just north of $1,600 is a bit of an investment, but this is one of the best header and mid-pipe combos you can get for your F-150. You're getting a nicely cut and TIG welded flanges and mandrel bent pipes in 304 stainless throughout. You're also getting that merge spike to keep performance and sound up, and you're also getting the high flow cats that'll keep you street legal in most states. You really get what you pay for here. And with an installation that's this time consuming, you want everything to fit easily without any issue or extra cost. Switching over to the install, I'm going to be giving this a full 3 out of 3 wrenches on our difficulty meter. Expect for this to take about a full day's worth of work. Like I said, do not let that discourage you. This can definitely be tackled at home if you have some mechanical experience. As for the tools you'll need, a jack and jack stands, a ratchet and ratchet set with 6, 8, 10, and 12 millimeter sockets. Your first step will be to safely lift your truck onto the jack stands, and then you'll start to loosen the factory exhaust from the flanges. After you loosen the clamp, remove the front pipe with the resonator. Now remove the exhaust from all hangers. Remove your transmission skid plate and remove the cross member. Unplug all of your O2 sensors. You'll need to remove your starter and the bolts from the factory manifolds. After all of that is out, you'll be able to get your new headers and Y pipe on. And then you can reinstall the rest of the exhaust in reverse order. After install, drive the truck for 10 to 20 miles and recheck fitment to make sure everything is good and you don't have any leaks. That's my review and install of Stainless Works 1 7/8 inch headers with catted Y pipe and factory connect. You can check this out and more at AmericanTrucks.com.